សួស្តីថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកបង្ហាញរបៀបបុកល្ហុងងាយៗហើយមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ So today I'm going to show you how to make green papaya salad. Easy recipe, but yet it is so delicious. Here it is. So this is all the ingredients that you need to make green papaya salad. នេះគឺជាគ្រឿងផ្សំ I will be using 2 eggplant ត្រប់ស្រួយ2 10 cherry tomato. You can use as many as you want. Cut in half. 2 cloves of garlic ខ្ទឹមស2កំពឹស Some dry chili, but if you prefer fresh, do so. Half tablespoon of palm sugar, or you can use half tablespoon of regular sugar. ខ្ញុំប្រើស្ករត្នោតកន្លះស្លាបព្រាបាយបើអត់មានស្ករត្នោតទេប្រើស្ករយើងធម្មតាទៅណា 1 teaspoon of fermented shrimp paste ខ្ញុំប្រើកាពិ1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ Add dry shrimp ដាក់ high bee eggplant ត្រប់ស្រួយដាក់ចូលមក Add tomato ដាក់ពេញប៉ោះចូលមក Kind of break it into pieces to absorb the flavor. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce ទឹកត្រី1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ Roasted peanut ដាក់សណ្តែកដីចូលមក Gonna add 1 lime ដាក់ក្រូចឆ្មាមួយ and I'm just gonna put the whole thing in there. Just remove the skin. Okay, all mix up. Add green papaya and carrot. Some boiled egg. Green papaya salad is ready to be served. Also, a full list of written recipe is on Cookpad. Make everyday cooking fun. Thanks for watching.